Okay, just a quick update. So we got the iLoad back on the road again. Sounds okay. Alright, so let's just do a quick scan and see how we're going, making sure we're getting no error codes using the Topdon Phenix. So we're in all. So we go to Hyundai and we'll connect. Okay, we are connecting. Okay. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, 16 pin. I could probably put some better oil in it, make it sound a little bit quieter, but it's sounding okay when I give it a rev. Not too bad, not blowing black smoke out the back like it was before, so that's good. Alright, picking my model now. Year 2012, and this is a TCI A2. Now we do smart scan. See if we get any error codes whatsoever. We're not getting any misfiring. Nothing's coming out the back. So we are looking good. Now, one of the problems was that it wouldn't restart after it had been turned off. Now, we fixed that problem, but the car doesn't like to be restarted within 10 or 15 seconds anyway. And one of the relays won't actually close off until you've given it 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, so let's go through and just have a look here. We'll enter this one. This is the ECM. We can read data stream now. We have no fault codes to clear. And we will go through and check our fuel pressure. Yes. Ignition switch. Throttle actuator. Vehicle speed we're not doing. Water temperature, why not? And we'll do that one. Engine speed, we'll do that one. And EGR activator. Okay, so we go through here. Now we can actually see all of our pressures along here. Engine speed, 784 RPM. Take up to 2. Our fuel pressure here, let's bring that to bar because everybody talks bar. 254 bar. 1000 bar at probably about 2.5 RPM. Ignition switch is on. Inlet throttle actuator, water temperature, we're already up to 100 degrees. Now if we wanted to, we could go with the graphs as well. Okay. Now I still think that's a little bit low, but I will find out later. But it is running okay, so we'll leave that for now. Alright, so that's an example of the Topdon Phenix on a car, and also an update to show you that after putting new injectors in this car, we are good to go. No fault codes, that's good. Special functions, injector, special data, we've done all that. We've set all our injectors. Here's the info, because if you don't set it to the right one, it will run, but it will run really yucky. Cancel. Okay, diesel particulate filter service regeneration, we don't want to do. Component change route, we've done that. ECU initialization, so here you go. So after you change ECU or you're changing stuff, you can just go power on, or you can select which one you want to do. Pressure pump change, you know, we've done all this. So if I do it again, it'll just clear it and then it'll have to relearn, so you've got to drive for half an hour, 40 minutes. So fairly happy the car seems to be running right. There is a slight vibration in it. It's not 100% smooth as a brand new car, but it's running. We've got no faults. We've got new injectors. We've got new diesel pump regulator, rail sensor. Injectors have all been checked. They're all good. Replaced the bad ones. New seals on the injectors. new pipes on the injectors. What else? A new fuel filter just in case. All the relays are checked, all that sort of stuff, and we're back and running. So this car should go back on the road, and I will report back how we go if we have any troubles. But just looking over the Topdon Phenix, the general one, it's not a bad little machine, and it certainly does help to identify problems when you're trying to repair cars. You can also do key programming too, you know, it's in there under special functions. So all right, thanks for watching.